Here it is. Here is these. What's these? Insta360 RJ Lake. It's exciting. And then it comes with this lens cup. And then dots. And an invisible stick. And then I have this free bowl. Yo. Kanina, may dumating tayong parcel. Wait lang, kasi nanonood ako. May dumating tayong parcel. Ang ating Insta360 X4. So, ang tagal-tagal na natin tong pinagnilay-nilayan na bilhin. Finally, nakuha na din natin. So, let's unbox. Ayan. So, ito yung X4 nila, 8K 360 Action Cam. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung mga magagawa niya. It's 72 MP, 360 photo, 4K 60 FPS, single lens mode. And then removable lens guard, waterproof to 10 meters. And AI-powered editing, diba? Bongga siya. So, tingnan natin siya. Unbox na natin. So, Riga, ako na nag-unbox. O, diba? Gusto niya to eh. Kaya ako siya kinuha. Kasi yun yung gusto niya. Gagamitin daw namin sa Pinas. Charot. So, let's open na. Wow, so ito na yung box niya. And then that. So ito na yung siya. Hindi ko siya alam gamitin. Isasolid ko lang din dito. Ito siya. Ayan. Dito siguro yung yung mga makikita mo yung pag parang nag-video, ganyan. Ito yung lens. And then, ayan siya sa likod. Tapos, ito yung lagayan ng tripod yata. And then, that's the power. And I don't know what are these things. And I think, what's this? Is this the battery? Where you put the battery. So, that's that. And then, it comes with, what's this? I don't know what's this. Oh. It comes with think bolts. Insta360 video tutorial manual to. Malaki-laki. Anyway, let's open. Kung anik ba talaga itets. Diba? So, what's this? Okay. So, this is the manual. Totoo nga siya. May manual siya. Yan. Manual na siya. Ay, nako. Hindi ako marunong. Siya na lang. Kasi, magkikita naman kami someday, somehow. And this is the case pala niya. Ito pala siya. Yung kanyang case. So, alisin ko na siya. There you go. So, ito yung case. Para hindi na sira si Eneng. And then, meron din pala siyang ganyan. Like, tama ba yan? Tama ba pinagagawa ko? Anyway, this is also parang case niya kung sa phone, kung baga. Thermo grip cover, ang tawag nila. And pamunas. And USB cable. So, yan siya. So, yan na yan. Yan na siya. Yun laman ng first box. And then, and also, this one, I bought it separately. Ay, ito pala is, naka-sale siya. Yung Insta-X4 350, meron na siyang, it comes with this, and it comes with this. I think it's a starter set, and it's 570 pounds. Naka-sale na siya. Kaya grab na Black Friday sale. But this one, you have to buy it separately kasi hindi siya kasama detail. So, ito siya. So that's that. And then let's open the lens cap. Ito na yung lens cap. Kasi mahal man siya. Ay. Parang nangihinayang pa akong gamitin. Charot. Mas mahal pa yung iPhone nyo kesa dito. Pero, you know, para makakuha tayo ng maganda-gandang mga video, ganyan. Lalo na ang asawa, mahilig video-video. Sorry ako na nag-unbox. Para sa'yo to. And what's this? Ano to? I-cover mo siya na ganyan. Para, okay, that's the lens cap. Oh my God, may ilong. Ang lens cap talaga yung ganon. Okay, fine. So, yun. Cover natin siya. Then, put that back. Tapos, pwede mo siyang alisin para hindi mabasag si lens, no? And then, the next, but not the least, is this one. So, no? Ito yung kanyang invisible selfie stick. Yung nakikita natin, nagaganon-ganon sila, tapos hindi natin nakikita yung stick. And this is it na pansit, no? So, oops. And that's it. There you go. And then you just do that way. And taran! Diba? Taran! Diba? Okay na siya. So, saan natin lalagay yung ngayon? Dito ba? No, that's not where it is. So, where? Saan natin ilagay yung My problem is this. Where do I put that one? I don't read manual, no? What's that? Nasira na. What's this? Uy. What's this? So this is the battery. Okay. That's the battery. Nga, ignorante. And then you just click it. There. And then you just move these vials here. And it's fine. Maybe this one. Maybe this time it will be love that they find. Maybe now they can be more. That's where you put your charger. Okay. And then as I said, that's the power, no? And is this where do I put this? Where there? What are these though? What are these? Can't do it. So let's turn it on. Kailangan pa siguro yan. There you go. It's turning on. Okay. So obviously English. Please download the Insta360 app in App Store or Google Play. Okay. We have to download it. So let's download later on. And then after that, there's some stuff in there. Anyway, we'll do that some other time. So we're gonna put that in there. And there you go, guys. I'm very, very excited, no? And then it came with a free tumbler. So ito na yung free tumbler niya, free niya. So apart from discounts, they also give you free. So I bought them from Insta360 Think Block per se. Doon ko siya binili lahat ng to direct sa kanilang website. So nakamura ako. I got a discount kasi nga Black Friday sale siya dito sa UK. And then I got a gift pa. There you go. Thank you guys. Magandang ganun na ako. Bye.